Now, as we've seen many times before, any of these main input channels, you'll have a gate, compressor, limiter there, but if you were to go to the main left and right here, you'll notice that we have a graphic EQ there. So that way you could tweak the overall mix. Another place where graphic EQs will come up will be underneath the Aux Sends. So the Aux Sends, you can see that the graphic EQ is right there. Now, all of this is managed underneath the graphic EQ button. If you select that and go across to Assign, then you can see that it's assigned to the main left and right, and then all of these mix buses, and it says free graphic EQs, none. You've used them all up. If you start deselecting some of these guys, then you can have some of these that are available, and you can set them up to any of these available places where you can set that graphic EQ. So let me just put them back to where they were. And then all you need to do is, let's imagine we wanted to tweak, say, an Aux Send. So I'll go over to the Aux Send here, and whoops, I pressed it twice on 117 and there's no graphic EQ. Press it again and there's your graphic EQ. Select that and here we are. So first thing we want to do is turn that on, and then what you can do is start tweaking all of these, just going back and forth here, and then using either the encoders here. An easier way to do that is to go underneath faders here, and then now all of these become sliders. So you have this big 31 band graphic EQ that you can tweak. If you like, you can reset all of them there. And then in terms of ringing out monitors, if you're going to ring out monitors here, if you put on real-time analyzer, then if you have an open microphone that's just on the verge of feedback going down that particular Aux Send, then you'll see, just like we saw before in the EQ settings, you'll see a spectrum analysis there, and then you'll see a spike as it starts to feed back, and then it's right around here. Let me grab one of these faders. If it was right around here, then you just notch maybe that out, maybe notch the neighboring frequencies out a little bit there. So great way to ring out your monitors. If you want, you can do the same thing as we did in effects before, and you can save in presets.